Today, this is our suggestion for terraforming Mars. Terraforming Mars has various steps. Garagefolks also has unique idea. Today, we want to introduce our method to explore Mars first. So our concept is the soft matter robot for planetary exploration with evolution system by using 3D printers. First step is simple mechanism like inchworm, because easy to be reproduced by 3D printer. Second step is realization of automatic evolution to move and survive in rougher terrain. Third step is multiple evolution of many generations to explore various environment, for example, narrow cave. This system can generate new species that can occupy Mars before arrival of humanity. As first generation, we designed this simple mobile robot. Silent, simple, soft.